Create a signature in New Outlook for Windows. In the New Outlook for Windows, you can create one or more email signatures for outgoing messages. Here's how. Select the settings icon. In the upper right, it's the one that looks like a gear. Select Accounts, then Signatures. If you have more than one account tied to Outlook, be sure to choose the right account. Now, select New Signature. Type a name for the signature. I'll call this Alex1. Now design your signature to look exactly like you want. You can even add an image. Finally, let Outlook know when you want your signature applied. I'll just put mine on New Messages. When you're finished, select Save. Now my signature is automatically added to new emails. You can create as many signatures as you need. Thank you for watching us.